Hey there, it's nice to see you here at the Remyx AI channel. My name is Salma, I'm one of the co-founders, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some of our latest updates, some of our new features, and a sneak peek at what we're building next. So let's get into it. To catch you up to speed, at Remyx AI we're building the easiest way to customize ML. And actually, if you watch the video link down below, that's our first demo where we walk through how to create an image classifier with just a couple of clicks. With that in mind, we started off with an image classification tool. Now we've expanded to other kinds of models. Now we support object detection, so you can just add your labels just like we had before with a couple of clicks, and you can have an object detector model that you can deploy. No data required, which is really cool. You may have also noticed that we added a chat box at the top. So now with the Remyx engine, you can just, with natural language, describe what problem you want to go after and we'll handle the rest. Another feature that we just added to our UI is a visualization dashboard for your model. So now when you click into your model, you can see all kinds of stats that happen during training. So things like loss curves, accuracy curves. You can have code examples to see how to deploy your model. And we also have an embedded web deployment of your model. So you can sanity check right there in the UI. Last but not least, we also added a Remyx AI CLI API. So if you navigate to the Remyx AI GitHub handle, you'll find a repo called Remyx AI CLI. Very easy to install, just pip install it straight from PyPy, and you can use it in all your projects. So we have an example here where we run through a Databricks notebook. We're running batch inference on a data frame of images, and then we also have this really cool Colab notebook that showcases the new Hugging Face Transformer agents calling the Remyx engine in the back. So what's next? We're building a tool which uses chat to help developers compose machine learning models into more complex application pipelines. We believe that with chat, it's actually possible for developers to build even more complex applications from simple high-level descriptions. So through LLMs with tools, we can orchestrate these different tasks which map to executors and help you quickly experiment new configurations before translating that to edge or cloud deployments. So that's what's coming up next. We're going to create more videos showcasing as we build. Thanks again for joining us today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date. You can also join us in the monthly Mix newsletter. We're going to share more AI news, tutorials, lots of resources, and opportunities for contests. So keep a lookout for that and register down below. We have the info in the description. Bye.